Big news today, guys! SafeMoon is right on the cusp of the global adoption, and this couldn't come at better time as the cryptocurrency market seems poised to make a fantastic rebound after reclaiming its $1 trillion market cap. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. If you possess 50,000 SafeMoon tokens or more, then you really need to see this video because it will show you how SafeMoon is getting ready for widespread acceptance and how many parts of Jigsaw work together. Let's get started! Disclaimer: what's going on, SafeMoon Army? Thanks for stopping by the channel today. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how SafeMoon has been sneaking about to make some preparation for widespread worldwide adoption. Guys, it's possible that this adoption may take place a lot sooner than we anticipate. Yet, the timing of all this advancement might be the finest part of it all. If what some people are saying is true, then SafeMoon holders are about to realize some massive gains. If you are a SafeMoon holder, then you want to stay one step ahead by hitting the subscribe button below and the bell icon right beside it. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. You may heard of this well-known graphic titled "From ICO to the Moon, the Road of Promising Tokens." This image was published by a person named Joss Piba, and as the title implies, it illustrates the path that is traveled by the majority of promising tokens from the origin to the moon. Every promising project follows the same path, at least a very general sense, and SafeMoon is not an exception. Let's see how SafeMoon path can be traced using this image. We have the first phase that you can call the oversow phase. During this phase, the SafeMoon token was created, and even though it wasn't the first project to adopt tokenomics, it made the concept widely popular. Next, a dev team was formed, and these guys hyped the token pretty crazy with tons of promotions. And there were the paid influencers who helped to push publicity for SafeMoon as well, which helped to bring in even more people. In fact, a few people actually got rich by investing a few $100s, and with all of these factors working together, SafeMoon was able to generate a staggering $6 billion in market cap in just few months of its launch. This was insane, but it was also just an initial pop in the market. Then came phase 2, along with accompanying uncertainties, the first huge sell-off and a widespread panic that followed it. During this phase, the first group of whales cash out turned the chart gloomy. Naturally, prices began to drop despite the fact that the majority of cryptocurrency market was going up. Malicious actors capitalizing on this fear started to flood SafeMoon, but we also had some internal problems as well as some devs abandoned ship, and so people started to truly believe that they were only to steal money. But the team is left to continue to work hard, and they reaffirmed their commitment to the project. Now that the cryptocurrency market is mostly anonymous, rumors started to spread that the whales who dumped were the developers and the people trust began to shake. And then to make matters worse, some holders failed to follow instruction and lost money while trying to migrate to V2. So there's more angst. Some eventually sold for a loss because all of their belief was gone. Among these guys, even some OG holders like Safemoon Zhao. All of these factors put together caused price to slowly bleed for several months. Until we got to phase 3 is where holders shine. All of the old team members have been replaced with new team members. Currently, volume isn't great and the way it's going is going too long and too boring. Meanwhile, the team is working behind the scenes to deliver on all of the heavy hitters they promised. But those who continue to check in every day find the way more and more annoying, and social media trolls won't stop complaining or fanning the flames of their impatience. During this phase, almost every bit of news is negative. However, wait until phase 4, which is where SafeMoon is about going into. During phase 4, we have the delivery of everything promised. However, for SafeMoon, this has not yet occurred, and all of the signs confirm that it'll happen much sooner than we think. As you are aware, there have been delays. However, as Coroni explained in the SafeMoon Discord, the team is evolving its tech leadership stand and moving on. Having said that, I believe Coroni was hiding the big news because a new tweet just revealed the products could be dropping before the end of July. I unveil this tweet soon. Now, I don't know if you're thinking the same way as me, but if SafeMoon is already hiring a marketing manager, then it means that these products are on the verge of being launched. So yesterday, the SafeMoon Twitter account announced that SafeMoon has an open position for a creative marketing manager. According to the tweet, this is preparation for the upcoming marketing campaigns that will support product launches. As you are aware, the work of a marketing manager begins not just when the product is launched, but shortly before it is launched in order to create hype for the project and put into waiting hands once it arrives. Nevertheless, no company begins marketing for products that have been yet completed. So we wouldn't be wrong to expect products like SafeMoon Card, SafeMoon Connect, and the SafeMoon Exchange to land in a couple of weeks. The values of various different crypto tokens have also grown over the previous few days, and the crypto market as a whole have been on a upward trend. Bitcoin reached its highest peak in over a month, leaping over $22,500. The recent surge in cryptocurrency prices gives the appearance that bull run for cryptocurrency has begun, or that crypto winter may be brought to an early conclusion if the rally persists for another 2 to 3 weeks. Cryptography specialists, on the other hand, are of the opinion that it may be premature to assert that the bull run has begun, according to CoinShares. The majority of $12 million that came into digital asset investment products last week came from investors who were betting on a further decline in the price of Bitcoin. In a blog post, CoinShares said the inflow trend suggests that the new investors were expecting further downslide, while existing investors were not selling their positions. Nevertheless, the cryptocurrency markets have moved out of the extreme fear zone and moved into fear zone, which indicates that people are gradually become more hopeful despite the fact that many still anticipate Bitcoin to crash to a low of $10,000 before it starts to climb back up again. A survey of 2,200 people was carried out on a China-based social media platform, Weibo, and Cointelegraph reports that the results show that 8 people would buy Bitcoin when its price hits $18,000 according to Wu Blockchain. However, 26% of the respondents preferred to wait until Bitcoin reaches $15,000, and the majority of respondents anticipated that the price of Bitcoin would fall even further, with 40 saying that they would buy Bitcoin at $10,000. Interestingly, another survey conducted by Bloomberg MLIV Pulse earlier in July yielded a similar outcome. 60 of the net 950 respondents on Wall Street called for a 10,000 Bitcoin price. Do you agree with the bears, or are you bullish with other half of the market? Feel free to let me know what you think by dropping your comment in the comment section down below. If you found this video entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment box. Doing so will assist me in moving up in the rankings on YouTube. If you consider yourself a genuine fan of SafeMoon, you absolutely need to watch this video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.